Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom radio in a long drive. To do this, first we'll need to click on the escape, navigate to our settings, then select MISC and right here scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the custom radio. Make sure it's activated, then below you can find the line where to find the files where you should put your music for that custom radio. So for me it looks like this. Then you need to open your file manager and basically place all of the music you want right here in that folder. And another thing is to make sure that the files are either OGG or WAV, and make sure not to use MP3 as this may lag the game very hard, so make sure not to do that. Then below right here you can also find AM 1080. That means we need to set up our radio to AM 1080 to actually listen to that sound. So let's go back into the game. And right here we have our radio, and what we need to do is over like a little bit below you will see the change AM to FM, and we want to change to AM. Then on the left you will need, on the right actually, you will need to adjust AM to 1080. And then increase the volume for the radio to begin playing your own music. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.